Hi, I'm BALLITO and welcome to Ballito Baby.
For me to come out, it must mean I'm not the job. It must mean I'm not the same. It must mean I'm on your case. For me to come out, it means that I'm not the job. I want to show you my wow.
Wow, this was beautiful. Oh my days, guys, what the heck? This is our view. So yeah, we are here, guys. Room tour time, come in. This is the front door you enter from. So we're gonna start at the bathroom, which is your first door to your right. This is stunning. Mirror sofas in here. I have what to eat. It's storage. Wow. This is so nice. What do you mean, dude? I love this mirror. I actually in my bathroom to have this exact vibe. Mirrors being the storage, you understand? Okay, then we have the master bedroom. Come on in. Wow. Little elephant, oh my days. Okay, now for the best part. Wow. This is beautiful. This hotel is so beautiful. We want to upgrade to a 3-bedroom. You guys know if you watch other travel vlogs on Piamani, I'm not asked. So I'm gonna call them now and see. Because from where we booked, they don't have 3 bedrooms available. But the hotel itself does have 3 bedrooms. So we wanna see if there's hopefully space. It is a bit full. I'm like, hey guys, I didn't know we're all coming to this hotel in Ballizo. What's going on? Like, it's cloudy, overcast. It's too hot here. And people were swimming when we walked in. Now it's 5:30, and yeah, they said there's a sushi bar on the 4th floor. I don't know if you guys heard the guy. Woo! I took a nap. I woke up. That's all I was thinking about. The sushi bar. I'm so excited to be here. I hope this vlog is everything and more. Oh my gosh, I didn't actually introduce you guys. Today, hi, I'm BALLITO and welcome to Ballito Baby. Oh my gosh, I hope this vlog is everything and more. Absolutely everything and more. I hope you enjoy. There's a lot of hidden gems here in South Africa. Don't sleep on the other areas, okay? Because I'm about to show you a time, honey. Let's get it. I have been taking content. This outfit for the first day, mind you, we're eating this up, okay? Last. Now everybody go to breakfast. Guys, I just got to the pool area. Oh my days. Nothing to discuss, cause I did by default and without any doubt. This is the hotel from the pool. This hotel's big. I don't even know how. All the way up there. Is it your birthday? I'm singing to you. Birthday to you. To you. It's so gorgeous here.
The lashes are nice.
Oh, thank you so much. Yeah. It's Joburg. Oh, thank you. I'm back at the room, guys. It is stunning upstairs. Oh my goodness. I need to do a full hotel tour because what? I'm in shock. I didn't expect it to be that gorgeous. It's beautiful. The sun is out, the skies are blue. Oh, this is perfect. I might take a few more pictures of this outfit. I'm gonna change it to my costume, and I need to just upload some stuff to some work quickly. Hey! Okay guys, I have changed into my costume. So I'm gonna go down to the pool, or to the beach actually. So let's go. This is it in a long thing. I'm actually about to post. We're posting in real time. So if you want to see what's happening in real time, you gotta follow me on Instagram. But I'm posting today's pictures right now. We're off to find the beach. Oh, a squash court. Wow, this is big. We can come play. It's basically an arcade. Oh wow. Oh, you can even win some stuff here. Look at this. There's a whole arcade downstairs. Okay. Ooh, I think I like this little life. Beachfront Hotel. Always a 10 out of 10. It's so beautiful here, guys. Going back to the room now. We got an ice cream. So this is what we're having, guys. But I'm so excited to dig in. I'm gonna show you guys the pictures I took. Yeah. So yeah, let's eat. Scope the jewelry. Alrighty guys, we're going down to the pool where I'm gonna swim today. Let me give you a quick little cutesy outfit check. Okay, I think you guys can see me right. Let me step on back. We have a green number today. This skirt is actually a dress from Jet Clothing. I've just tucked in the top part inside, you know. One thing about fashion, you make 6 outfits out of 1 item. Then this bikini is from Shein. Earrings, we have these cutesy little flower things. It's like a flower, it finishes on the other side. How pretty. Glasses, Shein. Hats, I don't know, it's my mom's. And then I'm wearing these flip-flops I got from Dark and Lovely. Guys, I still haven't bought new white plain sandals. I need to get new ones. You guys remember the last ones got taken by the ocean in Cape Town? If you know, you know. But yeah, I feel pretty, I feel cute. I've also got this gold bracelet. We're doing the gold. You see the detailing? Yeah, day 2, let's go.
Just make it in a place that I don't know. What we have here, happiness for sure. I think this one. It must get million views. We can party through the night. With you here, I surely come alright. I know you like it, So baby, don't be shy. Bringing out my inner child. This is the soul cafe.
Again, but I've had them every day. XXO. It's your turn. Let's see what's up these days. from here. I mean, the ocean. Wow. Look. There's people over there. People over there. Oh, this is stunning. Morning guys, I am now getting ready to go to the mall. But I'm feeling super grateful today. You guys know every outfit is planned. It's actually so amazing. If you haven't seen my pack with me video, boy, things were organized on vacation. Like, oh my. I'm so excited to see outside. I was just talking to one of my friends who happens to be in Ballizo also, and they're like, it's so beautiful outside. Because it's more green than Cape Town. I'm like, what? I don't even know this because I've been indoors the whole time. You guys can see. I love this feature so much. What's my favorite? Is it on? It is. Shower's an angel to wrap my hands around you all the time. And when you wake up in the morning, ooh, never leave you. Well, for my husband to sing the song to me. I'll always be your friend. You're the greatest love I've ever known. You'll always be your. Okay. We're gonna show you Ballito Junction, so where you can do your shopping and stuff if you come here. So, I'm gonna get some shoes, scope the scenery, probably have lunch there, and yeah, let's go enjoy. Guys, my nail, I had to rip it off. It like broke my nail in half. Like you can see the line. So I'll probably do them here when we go to the spa, but my nail is so painful. Okay. This is Ballito Junction, okay. Looks just like Mall of Africa. I don't even tell you to speak anything. But it's super pretty. I just saw it on TikTok, so I'm excited to try it out. This is what it's called. I don't know how to say the name. B. Oh no, I was gonna get this one actually. The third one is the one I want. Okay. Thank you. Oh, thank you so much. Because my food just arrived. I'm like, I didn't expect it to be this big. Hey guys, we just got back. I'm actually gonna go back to Joburg tomorrow and then come back tomorrow. So I probably won't vlog tomorrow because obviously I'll be in Joburg, but I'll come back, continue the holiday. There's still a lot to do. I hope you guys are enjoying so far. Please do subscribe. We're on the road to 5,000, okay? Please subscribe, be part of the 5K. Like, come on. I'm taking you around the world with me, baby. But yeah, didn't take my nap. I'm tired. And I'll see you when I wake up. Actually, I'll see you guys in episode 2 of Ballizo when we got back from Joburg. This part was more so the hotel getting into stuff, and the next part we're getting into all the activities. Okay, just a sneak peek this far. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.